Incarcerated senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Shabir Ahmed Shah, and other leaders and organizations have urged the members of G20 to boycott the upcoming event being hosted by India in the UN-recognized disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Shabir Ahmed Shah, in a message sent from New Delhi's Tihar jail, said that the Indian government has a notorious history of using falsehood as a state policy to achieve its strategic goals. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that Kashmir and Palestine are two burning issues faced by the Muslim Ummah for over 7 decades, and permanent peace cannot be established in the world without resolving them as per the UN resolutions and wishes of the people of these regions. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Muslim Ummah has to play a leading role and main responsibility in the resolution of these two long-pending issues. Indian troops continue their cordon and search operations in Shopian and Rajouri districts. Indian troops and paramilitary personnel continue their searches in Chakura area of Shopian on second consecutive day today, subjecting the residents to severe harassment and intimidation. The troops also launched cordon and search operations in Beripatan and Siot areas of Rajouri district. Chairman Kashmir Council Europe Ali Raza Sayed has expressed grave concern over India's decision to hold the G20 meeting in occupied Kashmir. Ali Raza Sayed, in a statement issued in Brussels, said that G20 countries should be aware of the disputed status of Jammu and Kashmir. An Indian army man committed suicide today in Bhatinda city of the Indian state of Punjab. The Indian Army said that a soldier shot himself with his service weapon while on sentry duty at the Bhatinda military station. It is to mention here that 4 Indian soldiers were killed in a firing incident at the same military station on Wednesday. In a vindictive action against the British Broadcasting Corporation India for exposing Narendra Modi's role in the 2002 anti-Muslim riots in Gujarat, India's dreaded probe agency, Enforcement Directorate, has registered a case against the broadcaster. The ED has filed the case against the BBC India under the Foreign Exchange Management Act, charging it for foreign exchange violation. Twitter Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk has said that it is not possible to uphold the freedom of speech in India, or else the Twitter employees will go to jail. Responding to a BBC's journalist question, the Twitter CEO said he did not know what exactly happened when Twitter took down the content related to a documentary critical of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi earlier this year.